Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to copy a list in Python. Sometimes you want to start with an existing list and make an entirely new list based on the first one. So you need to copy a list. To copy a list, you can make a slice that includes the entire original list by omitting the first index and the setting index. This tells Python to make a slice that starts at the first item and ends with the last item, producing a copy of the entire list. So let's see example. So we have a list of food names. Such as burger, pizza, cake, and then we are going to create a copy of this, and this will be our food, and from our foods we are going to copy from foods, and without the start or ending index, so it will create a whole copy of this list and save into our food. Let's print. uh, Foods list. First, we're just going to print the original one, the whole foods list, and then we are going to print our food list. Our foods list. And that will be a copy. Our foods. Now we can run our code. And here is the output, the original food list and our food list. We have now actually two separate lists, and we can add a new food to our list, such as we're just gonna append to our food list ice cream. Let's try that. Our foods append ice cream. And now I'm just gonna print these both again, the food list and our food list, so we can see they are separate list, and the ice cream is just added to our foods list. Okay, now I will run the code again, and we can see over here this is the original list and this is our food list with added ice cream. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.